Greetings, Kel from KGB Security. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the Guardall FP2. The FP2 is the middle size of the three FP safes that Guardall sell. This particular safe is pitched to the home safe market, which has a cash rating of $12,000, up to $12,000 should I say, and a 30-minute fire rating. Just a point, the cash rating is a measure of how hard a safe is to crack open. So a safe with a $80,000 cash rating is immensely more difficult to open than something with a $10,000 or $20,000 cash rating. The manufacturers make these safes in different grades so that they can sell safes to people for their needs. No point buying a safe with a $50,000 cash rating if you're only going to be putting a passport and $10,000 worth of jewellery in it. This does confuse some people. I've written much on this in different blogs, so if you do a search on cash rating, you'll find it. The FP2 is secured by a Secure M digital lock, which is an industry standard lock. It's really easy to use. It has great battery life, typically between 2 and 4 years. And it's industry standard, as I said, which means that in the event that it did fail, you can replace the lock rather than throw the safe away, such as what happens with many Bunnings safes. There's no spare parts. The safe is anchored to the floor by two 12mm holes, and it's finished in a very, very durable white enamel. We've been selling this safe for around about 8 years, and we can even make a stand that it sits on, which brings it up to a more friendly working height. We sell this and deliver this anywhere in southeast Queensland, and we can actually deliver it and install it using our network of subcontractors anywhere throughout Australia. We also have a full safe service division, which means that if you have problems with your safe for the duration of the safe, typically 20 years, you can ring us up and ask for help, or in the event that you get stuck, we'll come out and fix it for you. The point I'm making is that many online sellers are only interested in the safe sale and provide none or very little in the way of after-sales service. We've been selling safes for 30 years in Brisbane, and I'm sure we'll be here for another 30 years. I'm only too happy to answer all your questions. Please come in and see us. We stock this safe.